Rain in the face.
Clouds in the sky.
High clouds in the sky. Let's speak Spanish.
High rain in the face. All right, I will try.
Nubes en el cielo. Lluvia en la cara.
Now let's do it Indonesian.
Awan di langit. Hujan di wajah.
Well, that was fun. Goodbye.
Oreo going.
Lightning on the road.
Hey bro, let's speak Russian.
Освещение на дороге.
Украденный Oreo.
Okay, bro, let's speak Japanese.
オレオが盗まれました。道路上の照明。
Great, next time we'll talk in other languages.
Blood in the battle.
House in the freedom.
Hi, I've got the time. Can we speak Portugal?
Sengnubang.
Casa na Liberdade.
Cool, bro, now let's do it in French.
Maison en liberté.
Du sang dans le bain.
This was very interesting. Goodbye, my friend.
Earth observed.
News of the lands.
High Earth observed. Let's speak Danish.
Jorden observeret.
Nyheder på landene.
Now let's do it in Indonesian.
Per amatan bumi.
Berita dari negeri-negeri.
Great, see you soon. Write your request in the comments and maybe they will be in the next video.